Ravi learning videos for kids. A. A is for ant. B. B is for bag. C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for guitar. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lamp. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for owl. P. P is for pen. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rat. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for wheel. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zip. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। हम और भी ऐसे वीडियोस लेके आते रहेंगे।